Welcome. In front of me is a Motorola Razr from 2022, and today I will show you how you can insert a SIM card into this phone. Now, to get started, you need to grab one of these things, a SIM eject tool, which comes provided with the device in the box. So you can get it from there, or you could also use a paper clip, straighten out one of the ends, and it should work just as well. So once you have one or the other, you can find the tray next to the charging port. So you can see this kind of cutout with a little insert pin in it. So let's pop in a pin in there, push it in. There we go. As you can see, the tray pops out just a little bit, enough for you to grab it, take it out. And on the tray, you have space for just a single SIM card. So place it like this, and then insert it back into your phone. No, it did pop out. So if the tray doesn't want to go in, don't force it in. Chances are the card just kind of got loose like it did for me. So just pull it out, fix it up, and then push it back in. It shouldn't require much force to go in all the way. And that's all you need to do. The card should start working right away. You can see already it's working for me. It's telling me LTE connection. So there we go. That's it. So anyway, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.